Welcome to Whynew.in. Let us go through the specifications of Lenovo T440. It is powered by Intel-Core i5, 4th generation, which runs at a base clock of 1.90 GHz. This processor comes with Intel HD Graphics 4400 integrated GPU. It also comes with 8 GB RAM, which is also upgradable up to 16 GB. It has inbuilt SSD of 256 GB, which can be upgradable or replaceable with HDD. It has compact 14-inch display with built-in 720p webcam and microphone. 45-watt battery supplies power to this laptop, which can run up to 3 hours. This laptop comes with Windows 10 operating system, which can upgradable to Windows 11. Comes to connectivity, it has both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Dell Latitude T440 has all essential ports. 1 RJ45, 1 VGA port, 2 USB 3.1 port, 1 3.5mm headphone jack, 1 SD card port, 1 Kensington lock, 1 display port, 1 USB 2.0 port. Overall, this laptop is compact, lightweight, durable, and a good performer for office professionals and students. Why choose Whynew.in? For good-looking laptops. For quality-tested laptops. For personalized support. For warranty upgradation option. Kindly contact to buy this laptop at Whynew.in. Whynew. Buy like new.